Of Pi. Introduction to the novel. The Narrators. This novel is the story of an Indian boy, Paisyan Molitor Patel, who chooses to be known as Pi. The story has two narrators. One is the author, who is referred to as the narrator. The other narrator is the main character, protagonist, Pi Patel. The life of Pi is a story within another story. The narrator speaks directly to the reader. He is partly the author himself and partly a fictitious character. His sections are in italics, so are easy to identify. He introduces us to the novel in the partly fictitious author's note. His text frames the novel and connects other parts of the story as told to him by Pi. In the final part of the novel, he receives a sound recording of an interview between Japanese shipping officials and Pi, and transcribes it. Through the narrator, we also have short but telling glimpses of Pi as an adult in Toronto. Essentially, the narrator acts as Pi's scribe, telling Pi's story in the first person, in his voice and through his eyes. Pi in the story is now an adult and is speaking to the author, the narrator, telling him of his life as a boy in India and then as a teenager, of his remarkable journey across the Pacific, first in a ship that sinks and then in a lifeboat with an adult tiger. Most of the novel comprises the story that Pi tells to the narrator.